I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried.
Green plantain porridge. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making some green plantain porridge and I'll be using the original coconut and showing you how I prep this. I won't be using any flour, anything in it, no oatmeal. I'll only be using the green plantains, and I used 3 medium-sized green plantains. I just mark on them and then I remove the skin from it. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to my channel. Please remember to give your girl a like. It is free. Please remember to drop a comment. Thank you for coming. Thank you for also subscribing. If you're new, thank you for your support. Once I finished peeling my green plantains, I washed everything, and here I'm blending the coconut. Once this is blended, I strain this, and to get additional milk, I use warm water to get additional milk. Here, I added a little hint of water on the green plantains and I blend this out. So I added my pot with some water. I used 1 teaspoon salt. Here I'm adding in my coconut milk. I added in a cinnamon stick in this too. You can add nutmeg, vanilla, allspice while it is boiling or when you're ready to sweeten. Here I am showing you what the green plantain looks like once I blended it out. My water started boiling, so I added in my blended green plantains. You want to make sure you mix this, continue to mix this until it starts boiling, so not to have lumps or clumps in it. So I stir this for a quick minute or two. Once it starts to bubble up, I cover under medium heat and I leave to boil for at least 40 to 45 minutes. So here it's boiled, it's ready, and I added nutmeg, I added vanilla, I added a little allspice and also some powdered cinnamon. I will be using tin condensed milk as the sweetener. This is optional if you want to use honey. If you want to use just sugar because there's already coconut milk in it, feel free to. I love to use the additional tin condensed milk. For sweetening, I used, I would say, 1 tin, a small tin, to sweeten this. Look at my porridge. This tasted really, really good. So here I am pouring my milk in as my sweetener, and this is optional. If you're diabetic, use what you know, if it's agave or if it's honey. I taste as I go to make sure it has the flavor and taste that I want. This came out really, really good. Jamaicans eat this with bread or a serving of water crackers, which you will see that I had mine with. This is an all-time favorite of mine, and also a second video that I have on this channel. The other one I had done has oatmeal in it. This one is pure green plantain. See you soon in another video.